when you engage in a community, you need to engage the people of the community itself. There is in every community, there is leaders that you can find in that particular village or community that they really can affect, and their point of view is really well received by the rest of the community, and they're well respected. So we need to actually get to those people. We need to hire people from the community itself, so they feel the sense of that they're belonging to this particular project, and that they want to fix their own village, and they want to fix their own place because they're working in it. So they're keen to do that. That's from the CSR, to be keen and to be into basically one of, if you're working in a community. Now, what I found that we need also the urgency of education. A lot of people are educated here, and they do have what we call a certificate, or they are university graduate. Unfortunately, they're not really educated in this. They know how to read and write. Basically, that's it. The knowledge is not there. They don't. Everything is still tomorrow. There is no urgency. As long as they're not really concentrating. When I ask for some people to come and say, "What would you like? I mean, can you tell me what exactly you're looking for a job?" He tells me anything. When somebody tells me anything, I don't know where to go with that. People need to know especially after university, or like if you are young and you're going into life, where are you going? You need to have a plan, even a plan for yourself. So you're going from this place to that place, and you're achieving that, because if you first you plan for yourself, and then you can plan for others. This is what I believe, young need to be, you need to think deeper. It's not everything superficial and on the surface.